Hi everybody, it's 5:36 p.m. and 8 seconds. This is the main for Adventure Comics number 300, graded 7.0. Here are the 18 filled spots. Let's do our 3 dice. Pardon me, had a brain fart there. Number is 14. Alright, name at the top of the list will get the book. I probably will not get this out until Tuesday. Just giving everybody the heads up. Normally I ship the next day, but it's probably going to be Tuesday. So away we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here's the final one, 14. Jesse Sipler came in second place in the mini and uses that to win the main. Congratulations. The time is 5:37 and 7